Yo, what's up guys? This is Big Dog Pinoy Rip from California. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to crack some slab, because I show some video on YouTube. They're using so many fucking tools. I don't know why. Maybe they just fucking hire like me, but I'm gonna do some experimental using a cutter only, guys, to prove that you don't need that all tools just to open up slab. It's not necessary, guys. Okay, so let me show you guys. First of all, I'm gonna introduce you Anthony Edward from Bucket 9.5 rookie card. Okay, let's do it. So after that, you cut surrounding, right? You're gonna point your knife and flip it up, okay? But slowly, guys. And back wherever you do, guys, always remember this one. Safety first, you know? Don't cut your finger or else they're gonna call you stupid. Point it like that, little by little. Don't rush, because it's pain. There you go. That's it, guys. So once you point it right and flip it up little by little, don't force it, or else you're gonna damage your card and everything. And you're gonna damage your brain because you fucked up your card big time. There you go. Got it, guys. 1, 2, 3. You guys gonna hear it. There you go. That's the sign that it was clear. Everything. 1, 2, 3. There you go. There you go, guys. It's safe. I don't know why they use so many tools, guys, and I open one card without damage the card. Taran! That's it. Peace out.